Vale, pues no vaya no vaya. Yes. Yes, we are working. Work is something. Contractor shipped back so that we can see this. Yes. Let's see why. Where do we go? Mama, so why? Calculation kilometers from day, like some day, almost 3 kilometers. Stabilization I've gotten to 5 to 7 kilometers surveyor and site clearing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We've had the opportunity to meet up with 13 communities and villages. Leave them now. On behalf of Mr. President, the Mr. Air Force, making sure that is peace in this area. The Air Force to rescue these victims. For these evil people, we commend you. And we're going to give you all the necessary support to see that you do better. Thank you for joining us. I had it as a no, it is not good for me to just pass like this. We can't commit to commend you. Thank you, sir. So, the chairman of this body, thank you, sir. And also, I'm going for this victims. Thank you very much. So, Igbo man, they are from Kuchi. Your name is what? Isaac. So, what happened?
Okay, but they were gunshot around 1 o'clock. That is, they were gunshot around 1 o'clock at the middle of the night. So from there, we thought they were robbers, but they were not actually robbers. So they just, they flying through the fence, came to pick us from the bedroom. When I came outside, I saw other people outside too. So from there, from Kuje, we found ourselves in the, I don't even know the location.
Sorry, the chairman. Yes, so do something to that. Sorry, madam. I'm sorry, I'm so happy that you arrived. And this plan of rescue. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Your full name?
Isaac Sunday, baby.
Isaac Sunday, baby.
Okay.
We can see up to there. We're still walking there, but altogether it will be 11 kilometers. Now we are at
12 plus minus 4
here.
From there to here.
So we are still walking till there.
We are walking down there.
And you think you make it? 100%, Oga. 100%. December, handing over. 100%. No doubt. So you are done with the bridge? Finish.
Calvert.
Calvert. It's already built by Samita with headfield above it. Good. Are you not finished here? No, yes, we still have to do here the last 2 layers. But this we are waiting for the dry season to do it because we are doing the stone base and immediately the asphalt.
We call this layer, sir,
Formation
formation
level.
level. So from here we are going up about 40 cm plus minus, which will be the asphalt.
The final layer. But this is the last layers to do. We don't want to do it in the rainy season.
He's supervising the job. Steve, you saw when you came in, we are working now on the first kilometer, which we want to get faster than all the rest. So the first kilometer from inside the village will be ready. You are going to be surprised before December.
What's important that it
will be. It will be 100% will be completed, sir.
So if you say so, we have no other choice. We must.
When I say so, no, it's the company.
When you said so.
When you say to him, he tell us.
Okay, so I'll start scooping the one from
Fuji to the end. We just pass it there. We are. Yes.
We want to start a survey, and then we will come with some.
with the
Estimation and everything.
yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait. Brother,
First, thank you.
Well, I don't know anything about protests and those who are protesting. We have said before that the Lead Hope agenda is not just for the city, it's also for the rural areas. There are no roads for people to go to their various farms. There are no roads for people to go to their houses, their villages. And in providing infrastructure in the city, it must also provide the same infrastructure in the rural areas. Today, this is the second road we are visiting as far as Kwali Area Council is concerned. Where we are standing now is 11-kilometer road. I can imagine the impact this road will have when it is completed in December this year. Where we are coming from now, you can see 25 kilometers and look at how the people are happy. That's the sense of the Lead Hope. And that is why we are saying that people should be patient with the government. While the government is doing everything to reduce the level of hunger, government is also providing basic infrastructure that will improve the economy of our country. So we're happy. I mean, it's to tell some Nigerians who do not understand and who just have not had the opportunity to ask what is happening. If you come to FCT, you'll appreciate the fact that FCT is working. And if FCT is working, why are you telling the residents to come and protest? I quite appreciate the level of hunger, but we said it is better for us to sit down and talk about it than to give room for hooligans to perpetrate crime against innocent Nigerians. No right-thinking government will fold its arms and allow people to come and cause mayhem, destroy property, and then we'll go back to square one. So, with what we're doing, you can see the people of Abuja are happy, they appreciate the level of work going on. And we say, see it is believing. We've been to all the area councils. Tomorrow we'll be at Abaji to see the construction going on there. So I think people appreciate and know it's not carrying propaganda. The truth of the matter that you journalists can see and attest. That's why when we're coming out, we say, join us. So you'll be able to tell the stories, whether all these things they are saying is correct or not. We just don't come out for the sake of covenant, but for let Nigerians know really indeed that Abuja and the Saturday towns are really working. And that's why you see all the other councils appreciate and say, look, we want to stick with you, we want to dialogue with you. If we have problems, we'll be able to sit down and see how those problems can be solved. Just like the question for the youth secretariat. It didn't take 24 hours, Mr. President approved it. That, without us sitting down, would that have been done? No. So, we're quite happy. I'm very impressed. And let me also impress on it to the contractors that the date is December. We are not going to extend. And I have confidence in Gilmore and other contractors who are involved in the construction of these roads in the southern town that they will keep to the promise they have made. As on our own part, in terms of funding, we will not delay. It will not be our own problem that will go and delay the finishing of these roads. So now they know that we have funded them and we will continue to fund them. So I'm happy with the. In fact, last time I came when we were doing the culverts, I couldn't believe that they are done with it. Such a huge culvert. In fact, we were all shouting that day. But to God be the glory that is done, and they are not facing on earthwork. We believe, I have that strong belief, being a very promising contractor that they will fulfill.
Honorable Mr. Sir, let's talk about this insecurity. The administration has been doing so much in terms of insecurity. And the first road we saw that the some kidnapped victim had been rescued. What message did you have for the remnants of the security resident of the FCT?
Well, let me first of all appreciate the local vigilantes for doing a good job. Like I said, security is not only the house of government. Security is for everybody. Government provides logistics to the security agencies. And so the local vigilantes are taking upon themselves too to contribute to security of the place, to make sure the environment is peaceful and people go about their normal businesses. I thank them for what they did, for that braveness, by confronting the kidnappers and rescuing these 5 of these victims from Kuje area. I commend them, and we have promised them that we're going to give them all the necessary logistic support. They've asked for one open vehicle, which we're going to give them by grace of God today. And we're giving them some finances to see that the support is such. That is what is required. And I thank them so much. And to the general population of FCT, we will not rest on our oars. We'll continue to do the best to make sure they sleep with their eyes closed. That is our promise to them. Because security is one of the key areas of Mr. President, the whole agenda. It cannot be completely eliminated in one day. It is a continuous process. So they should have hope in that we will satisfy them and we owe them that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.